Hello, how to solve for s in this beautiful equation? 3 to the power of s plus 3 to the power of s is equal to 90. Then from here, we can see that 3 to the power of s is common. Let's bring it out. We have 3 to the power of s, bracket. If you divide this by this, we have 1. Plus, if you divide this by this, we have 1. This is equal to 90. Then here, this is 3 to the power of s, bracket 1 plus 1, 2. Is equal to 90. Now let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2 and this divided by 2. This we cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 45. 3 to the power of s is equal to 45. Now we are looking for the value of s. Let's take the log of both sides. Log 3 to the power of s is equal to log 45. Then this is s log 3 is equal to log 45 can be written as log 9 multiplied by 5. This is s log 3 is equal to this log 9 multiplied by 5 can be written as log 9 plus log 5. Let's divide both sides by log 3, then divided by log 3. This will cancel this. And we have s is equal to, this is log 9 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. S is equal to log 9 can be written as log 3 square divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. S is equal to 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 5 divided by log 3. This will cancel this. S is equal to 2 plus log 5 divided by log 3. Therefore, S is equal to 2 plus log 5 base 3. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.